How to sell digital products on Wix in 2022 full guide. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. I bring you back with yet another tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can add your very own digital product or ebook on your Wix page. So without further ado, let's not waste any time and get right into it. So first of all, you're going to go to your Wix page. Obviously, you're here on your Wix page. You're going to go down to wherever your products are. So let's say my products are here. Now, once you're on your products, you're just going to click on them. And over here, it's going to say quick edit and manage products. What you're going to do is you're going to click on manage products. Now, once you click on manage products, you're going to wait for it to load up. It's going to load you up into this dashboard where you're just going to give you a lot of these products. Now, let's wait for it to load up properly. And there we go. Now it's loaded up properly. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to come up here where it says new product. You're going to click on it. And over here it says physical product or digital file. Now obviously if you want to add any type of physical product like a t-shirt, skateboard, electronic device, you can go with physical product. But we want to add digital file, and that's what we're here for. So I'm just going to click on digital file. Now, once you click on digital file, it's going to load you up and it's going to ask you to drop in any type or upload any type of file you want. So you're going to click on upload file. So select what kind of digital file you want to upload. So you can upload an image, an audio file, a document, or a zip file. Now, it's totally on you what kind of a digital file you want. Now, what this digital file does is when a customer buys this from your website, once the payment is properly processed, what's going to happen is they're going to get this digital file from you. So let's say I want to add some document. So I'm going to click on document and I'm going to come up here and click on upload media, upload from computer. Now I'm going to go to my desktop. I'm going to choose any, let's say, file I have. So I've uploaded this digital PDF file. I'm going to click on add to product. And now what's happened, I'm just going to click on save. Oh, yeah. First of all, you're going to need to add a product name. So I'm just going to randomly add PDF, add any type of description. If you want to add images and videos regarding it, you can add its price, obviously, in your fiat currency. Once you add the price, you can put in these additional informations if you want to or not. Then once you save it, it's going to be properly added to your store. Now look at that, it's added over there. Now what you're going to want to do is to check it out, you're just going to click on preview. Now once you click on preview, it's going to load you up, and this is your preview mode. And look at that, here you go, this is your quick view PDF. And look at that, here's the price for it, 5,000. And over here, if I click on download or quick view, what it's going to do is it's going to bring it here, and it's going to bring us to our cart. And once, as I said, the payment is fully transacted, the user is going to receive this PDF. So yeah, this is how you add a digital file to your Wix website, and this is how easy it is. I hope this tutorial was easy for you. If you have any questions related to this, let me know down in the comments. But yeah, until then, I hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.